Hi guys, my name is Varun and I'm back again on your channel GetAssist. And in today's video, I will tell you, if you are a seller, how you can sell your own product by using your own Facebook account. Yes, you heard it right. So to know the whole process, watch this video till the end. First of all, click on the profile icon on the right top corner. Click on this marketplace. Now you can see there are two options. Number one, sell, and number two, categories. Now click on this sell option. Now I will select items. Now you can add photograph of your item or of your product by clicking on this. Type the title. For example, I have one TV, old TV. Now I have to select the price. For example, I have written 3000. Then select the category, furniture or appliances. Now select the condition. Write the description, whatever you want to write the description. Now select the location of your particular area. Now you can add more details as well. And lastly, you can use these options like boost listing after publishing. That means you have to pay some amount to Facebook so that the Facebook can show your product on very top of the page. Or you can use different options, for example, hide from your friends or list in more places and so on. Once you're done with all the details, click on this publish. So in this way, you can sell your products by using your own Facebook account and you can reach more and more customers. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.